Hello and welcome to our latest update on India's agricultural sector. Today, we bring exciting news about the country's rice production, which is expected to reach a record-breaking milestone for the year 2024-25. India is on track to achieve a remarkable milestone in its agricultural sector. According to the latest report from the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, the country's rice production for the year 2024-25 is projected to reach an unprecedented 139 million tons. This record-breaking figure is primarily driven by a significant expansion in the Kharif season's paddy planting and the beneficial impact of favorable monsoon rains. The rice acreage during the current Kharif season has seen a 4% increase, with the total area under cultivation now reaching 409.50 lakh hectares. States like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal have played a key role in this expansion, contributing substantially to the overall rise in acreage. In contrast, only a few regions, such as Telangana and Orissa, have reported slight declines in their planting areas. The strong monsoon season has not only aided in the growth of crops during the Kharif period but has also raised optimism for the Rabi season. The high levels of water in reservoirs across the country are expected to support a robust Rabi crop, further bolstering total rice production for the year. In the previous year, 2023-24, India's rice production stood at 136.7 million tons, reflecting a slight increase from 135.7 million tons recorded in the year prior. This steady growth trend, coupled with favorable weather conditions, underscores the resilience and strength of India's agricultural framework, particularly in rice production. However, while the production outlook remains highly positive, the situation in the export market presents challenges. Despite the ample crop size, exporters are currently urging the government to lift restrictions on the export of parboiled and white rice. These restrictions were imposed to ensure domestic food security, but now, with such a significant surplus in production, industry leaders believe that the time is right to open up exports once again. B.V. Krishna Rao, president of the Rice Exporters Association, has highlighted that removing these export duties would be beneficial for the trade, allowing India to capitalize on strong international demand. Likewise, Rahul Chauhan of Agrane India noted that although some areas have experienced excess rainfall, the overall rice crop has sustained minimal damage, ensuring that both the Kharif and Rabi harvests are expected to be abundant. The strong monsoon season and increased planting acreage have not only bolstered production but have also brought hope to exporters eager to seize opportunities in the global market. Despite the weather challenges, India's rice crop has shown remarkable resilience, positioning the country for an exceptional year in both domestic consumption and potential export growth. In conclusion, India's rice production for 2024-25 is set to break all previous records, thanks to favorable weather, expanded acreage, and robust prospects for the Rabi crop. While domestic food security remains a priority, the large crop opens the door for possible adjustments in export policy, allowing India to benefit from global trade opportunities. The rice sector, supported by these strong fundamentals, stands poised for a historic year ahead. Keep watching our channel, Ajayasthro Maniguru. Thank you.